Beaks and claws. All birds have special features such as beaks, claws, wings, and feathers. These help the birds in many ways. Let's know about beaks and claws of some birds. Beaks. Birds use their beak for number 1 obtain food, number 2 defense and catching prey, number 3 gathering material for the nest, number 4 feeding young ones, number 5 cleaning the feathers. The table given below tells us about the different types of beaks and their uses. Hooked beak. The beak is strong, sharp and hooked to bite and tear prey into small pieces and crack open nuts and seeds. For example, owls, eagles, vultures, hawks, parrots. Spear-shaped beak. The beak is long, sharp and pointed to catch fish from water bodies, for example, kingfishers, herons. Strainer beak. The beak is strong, broad and flat with strainers all along the edges to allow water and mud to go out through it, leaving the food inside, for example, ducks, swans. Chisel-shaped beak. The beak is long, slender and tapering at the tip to make holes in the tree trunks and catch insects, for example, woodpeckers. Tweezer-shaped beak. The beak is long and thin to pull out insects from holes in the ground to eat, for example, hoopoes, warblers. Cracker beak. The beak is short, thick and conical to break open shells and crush seeds. For example, sparrows, peacocks. Probe beak. The beak is long, slender and straw-like to suck nectar from flowers. For example, hummingbirds. Feet and claws. Just like beaks, birds have different types of claws suited to the ways in which they catch food and move around. Functions of claws. Number 1 to catch and eat, number 2 to perch on trees, number 3 to walk or run, number 4 to protect themselves from enemies. The table given below tells us about the different types of feet and claws birds have and their uses. Wading. The legs are long and thin with toes that are spread out to help the birds to walk easily in shallow water without sinking. Example, cranes, storks, herons. Grasping. The feet have large, sharp and strong curved claws called talons to catch, kill and carry prey. There are 3 toes in the front and 1 behind. Example, eagles, hawks, owls. Swimming. The feet are webbed. They have 3 toes in the front joined together with skin and 1 small toe at the back. Feet work as oars for birds while swimming. Example, ducks, swans. Scratching. The claws are strong, sharp and hard with 3 long toes in the front and a short toe at the back. They help to scratch the ground to find food, seeds and insects. Example, hens, pheasants. Perching. There are 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back which curls around the branch to hold it firmly. It enables the bird to sleep even while perching. Example, crows, robins, sparrows. Climbing. There are 2 toes in the front and 2 at the back, enabling the bird to climb up, down and sideways on tree trunks. Example, woodpeckers, parrots. Running. Fast-running birds have 2 toes rather than 4 with long and sharp claws. They have very strong legs to run fast. Example, ostriches. Let's recall. Number 1, birds use their beaks to get food, as defense, and to gather nesting materials. Number 2, birds have 2 legs with claws on each foot. Number 3, birds use their claws to catch and hold food, perch and move around.